The following video is a HEM vertical bandsaw. It's a model V100-LM-2. The serial number of the unit is 553397. We're going to run a demonstration video.
Okay, the motor is started and stopped right here.
Saw is on.
The clamp is manually adjustable to accommodate the different material, and then you can clamp it the last little bit to hold the material tight. And then the blade is advanced and retracted from here, and we have a feed rate adjustment here where we can speed up the advancement of the blade or slow it down according to the material you're cutting. And once it's through the material, you go to retract, and the retract speed is preset. And then you can shut the blade off right here. You can still open and close the clamp for material to get material out, more in. Or if you're changing to a wider piece, you just pull back, let go of that, and it locks in, and now it'll clamp just a little bit from here and there. If you have an I-beam or something like that. The cutting pressure and the clamping pressure is adjustable right here with indicators showing you what the pressure is. This controls the advanced feed rate of the motor, of the arm that cuts. This is an emergency shut-off. It should have a mushroom on it, which it will. But right now, if you're on and the mushroom is sticking out, you just hit it and it shuts everything off. And the clamp opens. That's the way it will work when we get the right switch put in there. Now the tilt is manual, but it does have a clamp. The tilt clamp is controlled from here, off and on. Once the machine is tilted to the angle you want, you just clamp it and it stays put.
Again, the following video is a HEM vertical bandsaw. It's a model V100-LM-2. Serial number is 553397.